You have to pay. So that time actual sadhu made you owl. Ullu banaya. Ullu banaya, that means then again then he says, hey, sadhu, you have to pay. Then sadhu, what to do? Sadhu told the rich man, listen, I am giving one thing, very valuable things I am giving to you. But maybe not you use this thing, but when time will come, then you can use this thing. That time Sadhu gave one very nice, beautiful box. That things, very decorated, nice. Then rich man who opened the box, saw the only one small needle. Needle inside. That time, rich man will, what is this is value, needle value 10,000, how possible? You have to give 10,000 rupees. Now you are giving one needle, how many? How much?
1 paisa.
Maybe 1 paisa. This is nothing. That time Sadhu told, listen, in your life, you did many bad, sinful activities. You don't know. So, when you will go hell, then you will show this needle to the Jam Maharaj, the god of Jam Maharaj, Hindu. I will be there. Because Jam Maharaj will say, oh, I met with Sadhu. How did you meet with Sadhu? What is the proof? Then you can see, you can show this needle to the god of Jam Maharaj. I will also meet with there. Then I will introduce, yes, this rich man, he also met with me, he's my friend, this thing. Then they will be not put in the hell. Then we will go heaven, Sargaloka. Rich man is thinking, okay, this is good. Something where the sadhu has no money, why you to make disturb problem to him. So he turned back. Then again his wife asked, Sadhu gave money or not? Well, no, Sadhu did not give money, he gave this thing. But what is this? The needle. Hey, what is the needle or the value of the needle? 10,000 rupees need, because that Sadhu was staying in our room, need 10,000 rupees. Sadhu made you owl, foolish. Owl here, owl means foolish, If anybody to abuse harsh words, that time we are saying you are foolish. Indian people saying you are ullu ke par, ullu. Ullu means you are very foolish. So that time their wife told, you are foolish, you are ullu. That means Sadhu made you ullu. Go again. Then bring money. Then again, the rich man running, chasing, and anyhow caught him. So, hey Sadhu, my wife is saying this, you made me ullu. Then again, Sadhu again come back. And they go, I have no money, how to give to man? That time then rich man, he look all his luggage. They said, no money, nothing. Said, okay, go. I may disturb you. Again return back. Then wife told, well, Sadhu has no money, nothing. What will do? Then that time, husband told, I think so. Sadhu made me ullu. Ullu means fool. That time, wife told, no. Before you were ullu. Sadhu did not make you ullu. Ullu means foolish. You are already foolish. Well, why? Listen. If anybody will die, who will bring anything? You bring this needle with you? Wife told to him, his wife told his husband, listen, if anybody will die, who will carry the needle in his hand? Huh? Possible. If your hand will not go, so how possible to carry the needle with your hand? Because when you die, then they will burn your body. Your body and everything will burn. Yes. Huh? So that means is well. If you will not take one penny, anything to you, how possible to bring the needle? Actual sadhu did not make you Ullu. Before he was Ullu, that means you are police. You try to understand. Then husband, a wife told these things. Always you thinking the money. Money will not go you to you. Chant holy name. Say Hare Krishna.
In the Purodian, who told him to chant the holy name?
Wife.
Oh.
Wife told you are already foolish. And Brahmaji made you foolish. Brahmaji made Ullu. As he saying, you already Ullu. Brahmaji made you Ullu. You are foolish. You are not, actually sadhu did not make you foolish. Before I told you that, actually sadhu did not make you foolish. You are already foolish because you are, you are not chanting holy name, not doing bhajan sadhana. You think only money, how to get money. Money will not go. Now you have to learn these things. No, anything will not go with you. Only Harinam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
She was a good wife.
A good wife. For that, she is giving teaching to her husband. And first she told, the sadhu made you Ullu. Actually, sadhu didn't make you. You already Ullu. For this, I told this katha. This is joke. और क्या बोला था एक बार? नहीं और एक कथा कौन सा है? आगे चलो. थोड़ा little bit read. How long? Om Ajnanatimiraandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya.
No limit.
Chakshurmitam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhika Vaitadale Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Vancha Gurudurvasya Kripa Sindhu Vaivacha Padhitanam Pavane Vaishnave Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradaya Krishnaya Krishna Namne Bhuratisenu He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopisa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namaste Sapta Kanchana Gauranga Radhi Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Haripriya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Se Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Actually yesterday I told Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he wants to listen Bhakti Ras Katha from the lotus leaves of Raya Ramananda. Not Bhakti Katha. What do you want? Bhakti Rasa Katha. Because yesterday I told, before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, many acharyas and preachers, they also discussed about Bhakti Katha. Even Srimad Bhagavatam also discusses about Bhakti Tattva. Sabe Pungsang Paro Dharma Jato Bhakti Adospaji Ahittu ki Apritiyata Jatma Samprashiti Bhakti Tattva kata gaya. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discussed about Bhakti Rasa Katha. Bhakti and Bhakti Ras, this is very important. What is the bhakti? Actually, bhakti, that is called the transcendental one. Bhajyate sevyate, it is bhakti. One who directs heart to Krishna with his own spontaneous sentiments. Actually, that is called bhakti. Not any artificial, not other things. That is called sahavik vritti, spontaneous activities. What is the sahavik? That is the spontaneous nature of the soul. Spontaneous nature of the soul starts to Krishna. And that is should be own desire is there. Because Bhaktivinoda Thakur Javadharma explained when Jiva was manifesting to Tattva Shakti, marginal potency of Lord Krishna. That time the potency inside there. These things. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem, Sadhya Kukunoi, Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Kara Uda. Very simple way explain. Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Kara Uda. How to listen to Sravanadi Suddha Chitte? You have to listen Hari Katha with your Shuddha Chitta. Chitta Suddhikaran. First purify your heart. Cheto Darpana Marjanam. Then Suddha Sattva will come on the platform of Sandhini. Then Sambit and Hladini will come. Actual Bhakti, that is called the combined form of Sambit and Hladini. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this. Sambit or Hladini combined, that is called Bhakti. Seva Bhakti. And this Seva Bhakti is spontaneous in the heart of the living entities. Even in our conditioned stage, we are servicing. We are servicing your body, we are servicing your mind. That is called the Mike Seva. Seva Vritti, that is the spontaneous nature of the living entities. This is nature. But in our conditional stage, Jada, we are servicing to Jor. Jor means inner. Jor serving to Maya, Maya Seva. But with the assistance Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava, then slowly all anarthas remove our heart. Then Suddha Sattva will come. Then Sambhita and Hladini will manifest. That means everything we have just manifest. This is the first point. So saying Bhav is coming, this is called what? So for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad explained the definition about Bhav mood. Suddha Sattva Vishayatma Premo Sujjam Sambhavako Ruchi Vichitta Smarsina Kridasu Bhava Uchati. Suddha Sattva Vishesh Atma. Suddha Sattva had to be neat and clean, no any kind of material desires. And in crystal. Then the Krishna or they call Sandhini. Sandhini will come. Sandhini Shakti will manifest. Actually, this Sandhini Shakti is coming from Baladev Prabhu. Baladev Prabhu is the presiding deity of Sandhini. Existence potential. Without Baladev Prabhu, without this mercy of Baladev Prabhu, you cannot get this Sandhini. Because this is it. Then Sambit, then again transcendental knowledge will come by the mercy of Krishna. Sandhini and Sambit coming. But without this mercy of Srimati Radhika, then Hladini will not, then Ananda will not come. So then when you receive the mercy of Srimati Radhika, then Hladini will come. Ananda. Because Srimati Radhika sees the pleasure, she is called the pleasure potential of Krishna. Sat अंग से संधिनी, चित अंग से संबित करी मानी, और आनंद अंग से ह्लादिनी, आनंद अंग से ह्लादिनी, आनंद means pleasure, ह्लादिनी means pleasure. That means Srimati Radhika, she is the pleasure potential of Krishna. So without the mercy of Srimati Radhika, we cannot give pleasure to Krishna. Ananda, Krishna, he releases Ananda and he also gives the Ananda to the others with pleasure potential Srimati Radhika. Asadan means is what? Asadan means taste. We are tasting. How will taste? If your, what is called, tongue is not neat and clean, and if anything will eat, no taste will come. When you are high fever, and if you eat anything, no taste comes. Maybe a little bit hungry, but you think I have no taste. People are saying, I am eating, but no taste comes. In the same way, Sambit and Sandhini is coming, but taste will come when we will receive the mercy of Srimati Radhika. Anand, everything. So now coming the actual Srimati Radhika, she is the embodiment of Bhakti. Who is Bhakti Devi? Bhakti Manjari, who is Bhakti Manjari? Srimati Radhika. In, what is called, Grantha, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad Grantha, Ashtakal Lila,
Krishna Bhavanam.
Sri Krishna Bhavanam. Very nice, use this word. Bhakti Manjari, she appeared. Once I asked Gurudev, why many places all mention Bhakti Manjari? Who is Bhakti Manjari? Who is she? Then Gurudev told, actual Bhakti Manjari means Srimati Radhika herself. Just eloquent alankaric sabda, you know, and eloquent words. They using this word Bhakti Manjari. Actually, who is Bhakti Manjari? Srimati Radhika herself. Bhakti Manjari. You can, if you read this grantha, Sri Krishna Bhavanam, not only, I will also mention many places. Bhakti Manjari, Bhakti Manjari, Bhakti Manjari, this, this. Who is she? Who is Bhakti Manjari? Who is she? Actually, Bhakti Manjari is Srimati Radhika. And when we receive her mercy, then our Seva Vritti will come. Without this mercy of Srimati Radhika, any method, Seva Vritti will not manifest in our heart. Here, Seva means give pleasure. Anand. Who gives Ananda, pleasure to us? Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika is Krishna. Bhakti Manjari, this is the thing. So Bhakti means actual, this is called, Bhakti means this is called Sambit and Hladini, combined for Sambit and Hladini. Sambit means transcendental knowledge and here is one thing is Gurudev, many years before, Gurudev was very nicely explained this thing, I remember. Sambit Gyan. Gyan is, when Gyan coming, Gyan and Prema completely contradictory. Do you understand? Do you understand not? Gyan means knowledge. Or Prem means there is sentiments, bhav. Because Gyan leads towards the Oisarja, opulence. Or love, Prem, with the Madhurja, sweetness. And Oisarja and Madhurja, they defend their activities. That time Gurudev told, listen, when our bhakti will be more mature and content, actually that time, that bhav transfer, that knowledge transfer in bhav. This Sambit, Gyan, because when Gyan, what is the Gyan? Knowledge means he is Bhagavan, Bhagavad Buddhi. This is what? Opulence. And he is my friend, he is my son, he is my beloved, That is what? Sentiments. Eh? Look, this knowledge transferred in sentiments. Eh? But in transcendental world, everything's inside. You cannot say that the bhav, the opulence is not in there. You cannot say this word. But inside there. Do you understand? Bhav, where the bhav, also opulence inside there. But that is completely covered. Eh? Only sometimes they are viraha, and that time just coming out. And opulence coming out. And again, inside. Because Krishna performs this Leela in Braj, Madhurya Leela. And Oisarja is coming, that time Oisarja creates the obstacles. For this regard, Yogamaya very quickly cover the opulence, Oisarja. But so for this regard, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also, what did he say in morning walk? He did not. Madhurya, Oisarja, Krishna Oisarja, Madhurya Sar. Krishna Oisarja is there, but the actually the essence of Madhurya, sweetness.
Which one is answer? Madhurya is answer.
So try to understand this way. Krishna Oisarja, Madhurya Sar. One boy, ordinary boy, he is stealing butter. He is thief. And Krishna, he steals butter. He is thief. But what is the difference? When Krishna steals the butter, Brajvasi, they are very happy. And if any ordinary boy steals the butter, nobody happy. Why? Do you understand or not? What is the difference? Because Krishna is Bhagavan, Bhagavatta is there. But this Bhagavatta just cover. And ordinary boy, he is not Bhagavan. Who is not a Bhagavan, he performs in other things, there is not the sweetness will not come. That stupid nonsense will come. And when Bhagavan is doing everything, that is sweetness coming. Vraji prasiddham navanita chauram gopanganancha dukula chauram aneka janmarjita papa chauram chauram agragannam purusham namami. Bilamangal Thakur, he composed this verse. Braje prasiddham navanita chauram. Krishna is very famous. That is, he is called Makhan Chor, butter thief. And he asked him, I pay my obeisances. Krishna, who is butter thief. Why? Because he is Bhagavan. He is Bhagavan and he is stealing the butter. You know, Braje prasiddham navanita chauram gopanganacha dukula chauram aneka janmarjita papa chauram chauram agragannam purusang namami. Chaura agraganna. Krishna is the best thief. So that means other thieves also here. Because when you compare, Chauram agraganna. There are two things here. Krishna, he steals the butter. Not alone. With his friends. So all his friends also thief. Chor. Subal, Siddham, Madhumangal. They also thieves. Because his company. Sangha. And Krishna is the best. Leader. So I pay my obeisances. Krishna, who is the leader of the saints. Because Krishna is Bhagavan. Bhagavatta is there. But this Bhagavatta, supremacy, covered with sweetness. Krishna, whatever you are doing, everything is with sweetness coming, Madhurya coming. Madhurya, sweetness coming. All his activities, even his childhood pastimes, Even he is also pastimes of his friends, herding the cows, also everything is everything is Madhur. For this regard, the Madhura Ashtakam explained here. All is everything is what? What is called? Madhuram, 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 Madhuram. Everything is Madhur, sweet. Asitam Madhuram, Chalitam Madhuram, Gamitam Madhuram, Madhuram Madhuradi Padet, Akhilam Madhuram. Madhura Ashtakam very clearly explains this. And also explain all the activities of Krishna, they give sweetness. Why? Because he is Bhagavan. Bhagavatta is there. So for this regard, Krishna Bhagavatta Madhurya is his Madhurya is there. Essentially, Madhurya is there. If Krishna would not Bhagavan, then this is not sweetness will come. That is your ordinary person. That is not this. This is the main thing. You will now come, it is so bhakti is that is coming from the mercy of Srimati Radhika. Because this is Suddha Satta Visheshatma Prema Sujjam Sambhavako Ruchi Vichitta Smarsana Kridasu Bhava Uchyate. Here bhav, definition of bhav, mood. When sadhak performs bhajan and sadhana, then his heart will be neat and clean. Then first one is Suddha Satta. On the Suddha Satta, on the platform of Suddha Satta, then Sandhini will come. Then Sambit and Hladi. Then his heart will be very soft. Ruchivi Kantivi. The heart will be very soft. What the heart will be soft? When listening Krishna Katha or speaking Krishna Katha, his heart will be melt. This is Chitta Dravakata. The sneha will come. If you love someone, just speaking about him, but listen about him, then your heart will be melt. This is the nature. Because Chitta Dravakata, sneha means Chitta Dravakata. Chitta Dravakata iti sneha. What is the sneha? Affection. Sneha means affection, love and affection. Mother Jasoda just says, what is called? Singing the Krishna's beautiful lila with her own, what is called? Lori.
Melody. Her own words.
Own words. Understand? No one make that the poetry or anything. She is chanting the Jogat and she is herself glorifies to Krishna with sweet melody and Krishna or lila. Jani kani cha gitani tadvalaka charitani dodi nirmanthar samay. Sukdev Goswami Pad told, Jani kani cha gitani tadvalaka charitani. That means Mother Jasoda, she is singing, what she is singing? Tadvalaka charitani. She is singing her own songs and katha. And sweet melody also. Understand? Especially if you have no experience, by experience I don't know, if you go especially in India, especially in Bengal, if anybody, any husband left body, just give the, actually Gurudev gave the example. That time wife, she is crying, but she herself also glorifies her husband all activities with sweet melody. Crying. And all also the glorification of her husband. And sweet melody. And she is crying and also glorification of her husband with sweet melody. Heart melt automatically. Those who are listening, heart melt. Glorification. Her husband, actually this is a Vipralambha, Viraha. In the same way, Mother Jasoda, she glorifies her son Krishna, all the sweet lila, but not vipralamba. That's called meeting. But heart melted. Heart melted too is vipralamba, means viraha, separation or meeting. Yes, yes. So here Sukadeva Goswami Path ke jani kani je gitani tad balaka charitani dodi nirbandhana samay. When Mother Yashoda is chanting the Jogat, dodi nirbandhana, when Mother Yashoda is chanting the Jogat, and what she is doing? No, she is just remembering her son's sweet pastimes. 2 days, 3 days before, what he did. Understand? This thing. And it was sweet melody. And then heart melted. Her tears rolling down. So saying, Jani kanje gitani tadbalaka charitani dodhi nirmanthana samay. So, Krishna Katha, Krishna Lila, actually this is your thing. Sambitir Sar. Is Sambit and Radhini Sar. Without Sambit or Radhini, there is no Krishna Katha. Krishna Katha should be in there. But Sambit and Radhini. Sambit means transcendental knowledge. But the knowledge means that you remember it. Without knowledge you can remember. You will forget. So Sambhin is Sambit also giving the remembrance, knowledge giving. What the Krishna's pastimes. Our Ananda Radhinis, her pleasure gives so much pleasure in your heart. So much happiness comes. Sweetness comes. Yes. Understand or not? Thoda understand. Actually this is bhakti. Mother Yashoda, she is singing or she is glorifying the Krishna's sweet Bal Charit Katha, childhood pastime. This is bhakti. This bhakti is what is. Remembering own. She is not singing others. She is not singing others' children activities. She is singing her. Why? Because Krishna is Bhagavan is there. Even though all the Brajavasis, all the Brajavasis, all the, what is called, mothers, those are Matribhav. They are also singing which Katha? They are not singing their own children Katha. They are singing Krishna's Katha. Krishna's Katha. So Sukadeva Goswami explains, Jadohane, Abhanane, Matana Pralepa, Prenchai Chanadvo Rudito Chanamajanado, Gayantu Chaino, Anurakta Dhiyo Usrukantha, Dhanna Brajastriyo, Urukrama Chitta Jana. Here this verse, here Vishwanath Chakravarti, Urukrama Chitta Jana. Krishna's one name is called Urukram. Urukram Bhagavan. Urukramayati is Urukram. Here Urukram is one who, what is your, जिसके पैर ऊपर तक चला गया था.
Whose feet touch the sky.
Going to the Brahma Loka. So for this regard, Krishna, one name is called Urukrama. Urukramayati Urukrama. Urukram Bhagavan. Or Urukram is another thing, one who controls to everybody with his sweet activities. Actually, he is called Urukram. There are many meanings of Urukram in Sanskrit word. Urukrama Bhagavan. So, Urukram Krishna. The meaning is, Jadohane, Abhanane, Matan Pralepa, Prenche Chanadva Rudito, Chanamar Janadu. Urukrama Chitta Jana. Urukrama Chitta Jana. That is, Jan means their life. But their life is what? The lotus feet of Krishna. But here Rasika Acharya no. Gopis, they are the life of Krishna. Here are two meanings. Krishna is the life of Gopi. The Gopi is the life of Krishna. Yes. Urukrama Chitta Jana. Here Jan means, what does it mean Jan? Jan means life. Or Jan means, what is called? What is sitting on the career. That is also Jan. Vehicle something. Jan. Understand? Jan means you are sitting. As like bus, cycle, rickshaw. That is called Jan. That is what is called transportation. Understand? Actual Jan means also transportation. So here the Rasiya say no. Krishna is the transportation of Gopi. That means Krishna, Gopi, they are sitting on the heart of Krishna. Then Krishna is carrying to them. And you read this thing, Urukrama Chitta Jana, or what is his name? Sanatana Goswami Pad, Virad Bhagavatam, plus Madhuji. Very nicely explained this. Urukrama Chitta Jana. That means Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. This is very sweet because this is the Madhuji, sweetness is there. And sweetness is what? Bhagavata is there. But that Bhagavata is coming in the sweetness, Madhuji. So bhakti means this way. And the seva vritti, and this seva vritti is coming from Srimati Radhika, Radhini. Because who can serve to Krishna? Who knows the heart of Krishna? He can properly serve. If you don't know the heart of your master, you cannot properly serve to him. Yes? Gurudev told, give me one glass of water. So what water you will give to Guru? First you know, this time what kinds of water he needs. Hot water or cold water.
Sweet water. Sweet water. Not sugar.
This is true. Understand this thing. He wants cold water. You are giving hot water. He cannot drink. He wants hot water. You are giving the cool water. Opposite. That means your seva prati service should be this way. You have to properly realize his heart. Who can realize the heart of Krishna? Srimati Radhika. With her mood, with her everything. So for this regards, only Srimati Radhika, she can perfect way, absolutely, serve to Krishna. Prema Sampurna Grantha, Vishwanath Chakravarti explained these things also. Srimati Krishna manifests in the form of Devangana. Devangana, understand? Very nice, beautiful, some nice picture is there. Handsome, young, damsel. Krishna and met with Srimati Radhika. And discussed. Krishna asked them that Devangana, who disguised the form, Krishna disguised the form of Devangana. Then Krishna asked this katha, asked to Srimati Radhika. If you love to Krishna, your beloved Krishna, why are you angry with him? Why? Why? When Srimati Radhika, if I do man, then for the pleasure of Krishna. All the activities of Srimati Radhika is pleasure for Krishna. Devangana, she asked to Srimati Radhika, okay, tell to me. You love to Krishna, this is true. If you love someone, you cannot tell, you also massage my feet. When love is going up, Naso Raman, Naso Ramani, do pace of a collision. When the highest stage is coming, so why did we say, Krishna, you massage my feet? Or why Krishna? He massaged your feet. That time Srimati Radhika, she told, actual, I have no need. Srimati Radhika told, I have no need. Charan dabane ke liye. Kya bolte?
Massage my feet.
Massage my feet. But I know Krishna will be happy if Krishna would massage my feet. Look this. Krishnarthe akhil chesta. All the endeavors is pleasure for Krishna. Krishna will be happy. Just extend the lila. Srimati Radhika says, okay, I am tired, I cannot walk, I can say, okay, then Krishna says, go, I can massage your feet. Actually, this is the actual pleasure for Krishna. Krishna is massaging the feet of Srimati Radhika. And who is getting the happiness? Srimati Radhika or Krishna? Krishna is getting happiness. That is called Seva Sukha. If you serve, then happiness will come. Krishna, because Krishna is thinking, I am Seva Vastu. Everybody serves to me. But I do to one who serves to me, what kind of happiness coming? In Vaikuntha, Krishna is thinking, I am staying in the form of Narayan, Aishwarya Bhavi there. And Lakshmi sees massaging my feet. Later, you have seen the picture. Lakshmi sees massaging the feet of Narayan. But who is Narayan? Krishna himself in the form of Narayan. And Srimati Radhika, she manifests in form of Lakshmi. Tattva is same. There are no difference between Krishna and Narayan. Or in the same way, there are no difference between Lakshmi and Srimati Radhika. Just different relatives. Gaudiya Vaishnava, they are explaining this way, this is incarnation. Many things we are discussing. Actually, who is Narayan? Krishna himself manifests in the form of Narayan. Person is same, just acting different roles. One person is doctor and lawyer. Person is same. When he goes to the court, everybody call him judge or lawyer. Or same person, when he comes in the clinic, everybody call him doctor. Person is same, just change the dress, change the activities. In the same way, Krishna is Bhagavan, same Bhagavan. He is we are explaining the Gaudiya Vaishnava, the incarnation, these things. So person is same. Just mood change, activities change, form change. So now coming in this way, Krishna is thinking, I am Bhagavan, Bhagavatta. Always I establish, he is Bhagavan. Without Bhagavan, Madhurya with sweetness will not come. But saying, Krishna is Bhagavatta, Madhurya Bhagavatta Sar. This verse is coming. So Krishna is thinking, Lakshmi Devi see, and all they serve, from Lakshmi to everybody serve my Lord. But when they serve my Lord, what kinds of happiness they come? That is called Sevananda. What kind of Sevananda is coming? Ananda is coming in there. For this, here Krishna line, in Seva Kunja Krishna is thinking, if I would serve Lotus Feet of Srimati Radhika, then I can feel what kind of happiness comes. So this thing is also, Krishna thinking these things, then Srimati Radhika realized what Krishna is thinking and very quickly reflects in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she did man. Because when Srimati Radhika did man, then Krishna had to pacify her man. So how to pacify man? If anybody angry with him, how to pacify? Serve to him. Okay, this is my fault, please forgive me. Understand? Messiah. So for this regard, Krishna, Srimati Radhika, that time I did man. Why I am doing this man? Because Krishna's pleasure. Krishna, he wants to Really? To servicing my feet. Actually, I am doing this lila. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai. Gaur Premanandi. Seva means this. How to give pleasure of our Ishtadeva. So Krishnarthe अखिल चेष्टा करें और कृष्णार्थी अखिल भगत all your endeavors, give up all kinds of what is called bhog, sense gratification. Understand? Seva, prem, actual same word. There are different ways using word. Love, prem, seva, actual same thing. Love means you sacrifice. If you love someone, then you have to sacrifice for him. If you love someone, sacrifice first your time. Understand? If you not sacrifice your time, then love will not come. Many things you will sacrifice. Sacrifice your love, sacrifice your time, sacrifice your money, everything. Sacrifice everything. Sacrifice your own eating, sleeping, everything. Sometimes give an example, mother, she loves her baby. How much she sacrifices? Everything sacrifices. First she sacrifices her sleepiness also, main thing. She cannot sleep. Anytime baby can wake up, cannot sacrifice the sleepiness. So love, seva, actual same Prajapati, different synonyms. And in this word. Actually, when you deeply analyze, love means sacrifice. How much you will sacrifice? In this material world, everybody was looking. How much you sacrifice for me? If you love to me, then looking how much you sacrifice for me. Understand? How much you sacrifice for me? Everybody look. But not saying this word, but actually this is true. This is sacrifice. So Vishwanath Chakravarti one he commented also. Actually love means where this sacrifice. How much is sacrifice?
We have given a sacrifice our family.
Oh, okay. Pati sutannaya bhatri bandhava nati vilangate antuchuta gata. Kostaji nisi. Look there. So you gave up everything, sacrifice, the happiness of our children, of our husband, everything. Now coming for you. And now you very far from us. Why? Pati sutannaya bhatri bandhava nati vilangate antachita gata. Gopiji, alright? You are remembering. Praspranu kathanam miturati mitu vaddati. Smaranta mitu agu harim. Bhakta sanjati bhakta. Vibrata uspalaki tanum. When the two devotees meeting together. Remembering and also make remembering us. Reminding. And remembering Hari Katha. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki Jai.
Maharaj? So in other words, you explained that Sandhini is transcendental knowledge, but in the spiritual world, it's just knowledge of the relationship, knowledge of those sentiments. It is transformed.
Basically, there is bhav, this is knowledge transferred in where? Only the braj.
Yes.
Sambit is working Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, because this Sambit means Gyan, knowledge. Vaishwarya. Vaishwarya. What is the Vaishwarya? Bhagavad Buddhi Gyan. Bhagavatta. This Sambit. Bhagavatta, the Gyan. He is Bhagavan. But same this Sambit is there. Where? In Golok Vrindavan. Sambit is there. But this Sambit transfer the activities of bhav sentiments. Understand? Look at it. In Kurukshetra, in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna has love and affection with Krishna. What is the rasa? Sakha rasa. Sakha bhava. Very intimate premises. But when Krishna manifested his, what is it called? Bhagavatta, Aishwarya Sarup, universal form. Then his Sakha bhava disappear. Then what is coming out? Aishwarya, his Bhagavan. Then Arjuna surprised. Then Arjuna told this Kaditi. Saketi matvam prasabam jaduktam. Hey Krishna, hey Jadava, hey Saketi. Actually, you are not my friend. I am looking. Oh, you are Virat Sarup, infinite form. That means I committed offense already. Many times already you are my Sakha. Saketu matvam prasabam jaduktam. Hey Krishna, hey Jadava. Actually, not you are my friend. With this opulence is come. Then again Krishna, what is called? Covered his Aishwarya. Then again Arjuna is thinking he is my friend. Again he seated on the chariot. And Krishna also drove his chariot. They go in this way. But here the one thing, difference in Braj. Krishna manifested his many opulence in front of the same Sakhas, Subal Sridham. They are Sakhas. When Krishna entered in Mathura arena, then Subal Sridham asked to Krishna, "Hey Krishna, how will you kill Kamsa?" We heard Kamsa's body is very gigantic body, very big, huge body, and you are very small, as like lion and mouse. You are as like mouse, small. Or is lion and khargosh. Rabbit. Khargosh, rabbit and lion. So how will you kill it? So who is khargosh can kill to Krishna, lion or not? First is coming these ways. What do you think?
Rabbit cannot kill.
Rabbit kill?
Cannot kill a lion.
He said rabbit cannot kill
a lion.
Lion. But I think yes. Rabbit can kill the lion. Why? Intelligent. Buddhi is very important. Not the physically. Physically one person is very big, but intelligent may be less. One person very small body, but he is very intelligent. So I sometimes will give you an example. One lion is very ferocious, staying in the jungle, and he killed many animals without reason, with reason. Then all the animals, they very humble, asked to the lion, "Oh, you are the king of the forest. So why you are killing all the animals? If you kill all the animals, one day all animals will be killed. Nobody here. Then you cannot eat anything. So it is better. According to your food, you can kill one animal. And all you give pay obeisance. You are a king. You give respect to you. Then lion is thinking this is a good idea. Why I am killing the many animals and one day nothing. Then this is the cause of my suffer. Then I will not get any food, nothing. So it is better. They will, okay, every day one animal should come in front of me on time. Understand? Then I will eat and kill. I will kill and eat. That time all animals, they also big meeting, they will wait one by one day, they will come. Then in the same way, after a few days, Pali aa gaya, term aa gaya. One term came of that rabbit. Rabbit term has come. He had to come on time in front of lion. But that day, a rabbit, he did not come on time. Maybe after 2 hours late. He arrived in the lion and become very angry. Hey, it is nonsense. I am very hungry. Why do you come so late? That time rabbit very humble. So, oh my king, you are our king. My life is sacrificed for you. Why you so late? Listen, when he was coming, then another lion has come. He is not our king. He came from maybe another forest. He told, no, I am king. In the forest, I have to eat. No. The rabbit told, no, you are not our king. Our king, I am going there. My life is sacrificed for my master king. I am his food, not your food. And when lion heard this, oh, another lion has come. He is saying, where is he? The rabbit is very clever. Look, small, but he is very clever. Then, look, so this on the well. Actual lion, what is looking? His own reflection shadow in the water and making roaring. Oh, and the same also reflection coming. But more. Look, more. Echo, more. The lion is the foolish lion is thinking, but maybe and rabbit told, look, this lion. Then okay, first to kill to him. The rabbit was first to kill. Yes, I killed to him. Then lion jumped in the well, then finished. I'm saying because maybe someone very small and physical, but he is intelligent. So I'm saying the Sakaji friends of Krishna, they told, Kamsa's gigantic body, how possible you kill to him? How possible wrestling with him? Krishna told, there are two ways we can defeat the demon. Two ways. And with intelligent or physical. This is two wrong. Krishna, he killed, that what is called, what is the Leela Katha? The Bhasmasura Katha. Understand? Shivji gave the benediction to Bhasmasura. Brikasura is his name. Then Krishna, manifested in the form of Brahmachari, told, hey Brikasura, why you are lying? Put your hand on your head, then you can see. This is true or wrong. This Katha you know, Bhasmasura Katha. That is intelligent. But here Krishna told his friend Surdhiri, no, I can also manifest my gigantic body. I want to wrestling with Kamsa. Physically. How possible? Then Krishna will be big, huge, gigantic body. Then Sakaj did, yes. But Sakaj of Subal Siddham, they never surprised or they never also doing pranam as like Arjuna. Saketu Mattam Prasabham, he did not. Because this is their Sakha Bhav, Suddha Sakha. One is Arjun Sakha with Krishna, that is called Aishwarya Misti Sakha. Their Sakha Bhav mixed with opulence. Or Siddham, Subal Siddham, their Sakha friendship with Krishna, that is called Suddha Sakha. Suddha is pure, no mixed with any opulence. Opulence is there, you can say, but not mixed. Let's say opulence, just this one covered with Madhya. This is the process. So Braj, all Katha is saying, all everything is Suddha. Suddha Sakha, Suddha Vatsalya. Everything is there. They are using this word Suddha. Suddha means pure. Not mixed with opulence. But opulence inside, just covering. Abrit covering.
You said yesterday that this Madhurya Rasa, Shringarasa Katha cannot be understood by anyone. But we, from Sakya,
can be
from
anyone.
Vatsalya, I mean from Vatsalya or Sakya Bhav. But we understand from the Acharyas, from Rupa Goswami and our Acharyas, that in Dwarka, Satyabhama is asking about that Madhurya of Braj. Please, my dear Priya, she's speaking to Krishna, Satyabhama. Please tell me about the love of the gopis of Vrindavan. So, can you explain what is that?
Jogma she arranged. Srimati Radhika, she appears in Nava Vrindavan. That is called in Dwarkapuri, Nava Vrindavan. in the form of Satyabhama. That time she is acting the role of Satyabhama. Okay? That things of the Rupa Goswami Pad very nicely explains in his Grantha and also what Grantha? Brihad Bhagavatamritam Sanatana Goswami Pad explains this way. Sometimes we explain this way. Then it's called Nava Vrindavan Katha. Okay? When Krishna married with Satyabhama, then Satyabhama, he got two things, what is called? Her Jyotuk. Jyotuk means? What is called? Taking some dowry from her father. Two things. She asked two things. Then you have gifted one very nice, beautiful Vrindavan. Artificial, that is called Nava Vrindavan. And another thing, she asked, give me very nice, beautiful and Vrindavan, Krishna's deities. You understand these things? So Satyabhama, she got these two things, the dowry from her father. Actually, her father asked to Suryadev, sun god. Then sun god asked to, what is his name? Vishwakarma. Then Vishwakarma manifested this Nava Vrindavan. Vishwakarma manifested two things. Nava Vrindavan and the deities of Krishna in Vrindavan. Actually, this thing Krishna he did not know. This was hidden. These are hidden. Our Rupa Goswami Pad explained this way. So when once Krishna and Madhumangal, they are walking, they enter in that, then become Krishna. When Krishna said the Nava Vrindavan, then Krishna became very surprised. And all his Vrindavan stimulation coming. Sometimes Krishna completely fainted because remembering Vrindavan Lila. Actually, all the trees there is actually artificial, not true. Birds, this everything is Vrindavan. Then anyhow, Madhumangal pacified to this. Then when he entered in the deep forest, Nava Vrindavan deep forest, then Krishna he saw his own deities. Which deities? Vrindavan Krishna deities, not Dwarkadhish Krishna. When Krishna he was in Vrindavan, that is his Kumar is Krishna. That's a very nice, beautiful Tribhanga fold and three-band fold, or you are holding the flute and very nice, beautiful peacock feathers, turban, yellow garment, everything you have. When Krishna saw this, then Krishna became very surprised. Why? Because this is the Dwarakapuri. No one worshipped my Vrindavan form. Yeah. Because here in Dwarakapuri, no one knows about my Vrindavan form or Vrindavan activities. And only knows is Rohini Devi, the mother of Baladevi. But who, and also Krishna noticed, there also someone every day used to come and worship because the flowers they are decorating the all the paraphernalia of worshipping, puja upakara, you know. Who is coming? Yes. Then Madhumangal told Krishna, listen, tomorrow we will research who is coming. Then next day, Krishna and Madhumangal hiding one place. Then so the Satyabhama, she came with her Sakhi, that is called Nava Vrinda. Same Vrinda Devi appeared in Dwarikapuri in the form of Nava Vrinda. Her name is Nava Vrinda. Nava Vrinda she came. Satyabhama she came with her one Sakhi, Nava Vrinda. And worship Krishna. They deities. No one know. Only one deity. And worship them. And doing many stavas, stuti, do pranam, Satyabhama is paying her obeisance to Krishna. Krishna and Madhumangal, they notice these things. Then after this thing, then Nava Vrinda and Satyabhama returned back. But Satyabhama, she did not tell to Krishna, yeah, I worshipped your these things. Never she told. She is also high, her mood, everything in her heart. Then next day, Krishna and Madhubangal arrived there. That time they also worshipped the deities. And then Krishna himself stood up and doing this and opened his eyes. But Satyabhama is thinking hard deities, And though Satyabhama is servicing very nicely, clean, everything, and Singha doing things. But today, little bit some feeling coming. What the feeling coming? If you serve your deities is what? Deities body is a little bit cold. But today deities body is little bit warm. Sometimes this is dead body or a real life body, you can understand. Dead body is completely what? Cold. Or if he is alive, then you cannot touch warm. That's a given example. So Satyabhama is looking today deities is little bit warm. Understand? But she first also decorate with that chandan, gopi dot, very nicely. But Satyabhama, she noticed this deity, two things are special is coming. Never saw this. First she saw the wrinkles of the leaves. Today also are expanding, If you will have, these wrinkles are coming up and because Krishna is now here. Because Satyabhama is there, then Krishna cannot to also hold all his. So little. And another thing, Satyabhama is looking today that deity is what is called eyelids blinking up and down.
Okay.
This is the main thing to this. How long you do this? Must be automatically you are deity also. Who can do the deity? Deity is looking, what deity is up, down or not. Then but Satyabhama thinking, because many years I worship this deity. Now deities must be pleased with me. And for this deity direct manifested. And now all my service were perfect. And today deities will give me perfect blessing to me. Then Satyabhama start to, after her worshipping Arti, everything, do this. Then Satyabhama asked, hey Vrindavan Krishna, hey, give me blessing. Then Krishna told, what do you want? Satyabhama still thinking, this is my deity speaking. And you please come in Vrindavan. And please let me, मुझे साथ में ले चलो.
Take me with you.
Take me with you in Vrindavan. I want to go Vrindavan. Then deity is thinking, hey, Satyabhama, you are not Satyabhama. You are Radha. You are Radha. Actually, when I left Vrindavan, then for my separation, you left Vrindavan, you jumped in the water of the Jamuna, and you went. Then Krishna told all this katha, Radhika's all katha. You went in the Surjalok. Understand? Then you are called Surjaputri, then you come in the son of Satyabhama Didi. All katha, Very nice, beautiful, Krishna himself. That is speaking. But still Satyabhama thinking this is true. Then Srimati, that time Satyabhama is thinking, if I am Radha, so where is my Sakhi Chandravali? That time, maybe your question will be, why Srimati Radhika is Satyabhama asked about Chandravali, when Radhika asked him. Here is one of the psychological effect. If you, what is it called, don't like someone, you remembrance coming more. You remember to more is what? Who loved to you or who is your enemy? Enemy's name is coming. Rival name is coming. And the psychology. What does regard Satyabhama asked, if I am Radha, where is my Sakhi Chandravali? That time that is Krishna told, hey, like same Chandravali appeared in a form your co-wife. queen. Eh? That is called Rukmini. Eh? That time Srimati, that time where is Mother Jasoda, where is Nanda Maharaj, everything. That time Krishna told, actual, everything he is here. And you are same Chandra, you are same Radha, Lalita, Visakha, everywhere. Everything explained, Krishna everything. And that time again also, suddenly, if you really love to me, bring on your mon, nor mon Vrindavan, money one act Korijani, Tahat to one of the Karaji, you bring me Vrindavan. Then Krishna could not tolerate everything. When then what is called Satyabhama glorified our Vrindavan. Because Krishna is one weak point. What is the weak point of Krishna? If anybody to glorify to Vrindavan Katha, Krishna start to cry. Krishna cannot to what is called hold himself. Then Krishna very humble told, and hey Satyabhama, I am not your deities already moved. And then Radha Krishna, then Satyabhama and Krishna meeting together. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Jaya Jaya Radha Krishna. Krishna is always saying Krishna is one weak point. What is the weak point? If you want to capture to Krishna, Krishna is one weak point. If anybody glorifies to Braj Katha, then Krishna automatically captivated. Parthiva Brahmaji told, Aho Bhaggo, Maho Bhaggo, Nanda Gopal Brajo Kusam, Janmitram Paramananda Purna Brahma Sanatana. Brahmaji, he recited many stops to thee, but Krishna not pleased. If anybody pleased, then smile will come. But Krishna is not, the Brahmaji, what will do now? Krishna is not pleased with him. I am begging, I am offering many stops to thee, asking my forgiveness, but Krishna is still not happy with me. Then when Brahmaji just recited this verse, Aho Bhagga, Maho Bhagga, Nanda Gopa Brajo Kusam, Janmitram Paramanandam Purna Brahma Sanatana. Then Krishna smiled. When smile means Krishna accept, yes, Brajavasis, they are my friends, they are my family. Very fortunate. Follow Vrindavan Bihari. Good.